Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So up here you can see this is the fine particle rotary screener. So after the raw materials are being screened out by the coarse particle screener, it will pass on to this fine particle screener. So and then as you can see, after the coarse screening, the raw materials are like on the first floor, and then we use a bucket elevator to lift those raw materials up again, and then proceed to the fine screener. So you can see this is the fine screener, and the raw material are coming from the bottom to the top using the bucket elevator to the fine screener. And then as for the structure, it is the same as the coarse screen, but the difference is the mesh size. So the mesh size is ranges up from 4 mm to 2 mm, and it is dependent on the process flow. So yeah, thank you guys. These about other parts are very critical.